laying the light bulb on.
Damn, look, that folk came up around on the side of the street. She bugged. Damn. Back for the pickup game. Let's get in here and see what they got going. Yes, sir? Hey, what's up, man? $470.82. Sorry.
You want paper or electronic copy?
Paper.
Just sign across there for me.
That meal. You got a meal hanging out. Sweet.
You ready to go?
All right, thank you, sir.
Y'all have a good one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Back in that thing. Yes, sir. Scoop that thing up. Scoop that thing up. About to see what it's hitting for. Got that thing outside. GTY. Yes, sir. Here we ride, gang. Yes, sir. And the road regulars are full right here, gang. Hitting that. Right, gang. I ain't doing no talking. Be doing too much talk. What about that part of the video? Shut your up. Don't forget that part. And I got that thing behind me. See that thing rolling back there. Got that thing back there below, chilling. See that thing. Raptor outside on y'all. Let's see what he gonna do with it. Let that roof fall. Let that roof fall. Celica. Out here in that traffic, gang.
Day in the life of a woman.
Yeah. Yes. On one we go.
Day in the life of a woman.
Camera rolling.
Day in the life of a woman.
Woke up with a mission, had a whole plan made. Life laughed back and sent me down another highway. Left the cut early, coffee in the cup. Said I was going one place, now I'm somewhere else. What up? Started at a detail shop, learning every trick, buffing paint, cleaning wheels, trying to make it stick. Then the car shows came every weekend on the move. Camera in my hand, trying to find another view. Celica GT, midnight blue paint. Didn't have a lot, but I did what others ain't. Showed up anyway when they said I couldn't hang. Years later, still rolling, now they know the name.
Every road got a story. Every return got a view. Never know where I'm headed when I pull out and go through. Day in the life of one. Camera rolling till the day done. Some days sunshine, some days storms come. Either way we still on one. Day in the life of one.
We gonna see if it's gonna stall, gang. Just to see if it stalled again, Tess. That thing creeping up from behind. Damn, look, that folk came up and run on the side of the street. She bugged.
Cars, people, roads, and some dumb stuff. Lead a cut with a destination. Life changed before I'm halfway done. Medicine ball run, now I'm spotting old Chevrolets. Cooling light on, now I'm scanning fall codes all day. Moving mom across the bridge, talking Johnny Cash. Look up, red race car, had to hit the gas. Weather getting crazy, traffic slowing down. Police on the shoulder, lights spin around. One day BMW, next day Celica. Different lanes, same mission, same camera. Hundreds of car shows, thousands of miles long. Couple million memories buried in the vlog. They ask what's the niche, I just laugh and say I'm documenting life every time I pull away. They say pick a lane, I say carve one out. They say what's the plan, I say we'll figure it out. They say what you feeling, I say whatever I see. Day in the life on one, just a human being.
Day in the life of a woman. Day in the life of a woman. Day in the life of a woman. Camera rolling till the day done. Every upload starts somewhere, really ends where it begun. Day in the life of a woman. Still moving after all this time. Back in the cut when the credits roll. Then tomorrow is
started, restarted, on and off this motherfucking gas station, you know. Think we good, but we gonna see over the next few days what's going on. Yes, sir, cause this thing is registered to roll. Yes, sir. Ain't no check engine lights on this one. This my oldie but goodie. Riding in my oldie but goodie, gang. Yes, sir. Pooh gonna rear end me, golly. She swears she gonna rear end crash on. Doing something funny, guy. I feel it. This thing won't get on out of there now like a plane. I ain't calling sticking money in this because it's now. Just get up and go now. Better act like you know now. Boy, I have to pull down on you. Better act like you know now. This man. She don't get her ass over. The car right up under me like a goddamn. Shoot. Don't let her drive. She gonna park on top of me. Bust your watermelon right here, like a picnic. Now flip flops. In the cut.